Facebook search bar not working. Don't worry. Follow these quick steps to fix it and 100% working. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Tap on your profile icon. Scroll down. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then Settings. Now go to Browser and hit Clear Browsing Data. Step 2. Go back. Long press the Facebook app. Then App Info. Scroll down. Tap Permissions. Choose Location and set it to allow only while using the app. Step 3. Now long press the Facebook app again. Tap App Info. Tap Storage. And hit Clear Cache. Don't clear data. Step 4. Check your internet. Switch to mobile data or Wi-Fi once. If VPN is on, turn it off. Step 5. Finally, open Play Store. Search Facebook. Update the app. Now open Facebook again. Search bar will work perfectly. If the issue still continues, restart your phone once.